Hello.
Hi,
Nice to meet you. My name's Emmy. What's your name?
my name is Brijesh Yadav. Nice to meet you too.
Meet you. So is it I say it correctly, Brajesh?
Yeah, absolutely correct.
Sorry if I said it wrong. I just like to make sure. So where do you live, Brajesh?
I live in India.
Ah, you live in India. And what would you like to practice today? Is there anything that you'd like to speak about? Anything that you're interested in?
Whatever you will teach me, I will. It will be good for me because I am advanced learner. So uh, I can we can discuss in any topic to any topic.
Of course. So how about you tell me first of all, what do you do? What is your job? Do you work? What do you do?
I don't work. I have completed my post graduation with English. That's why I do practicing.
Oh, so the computer's not working for work?
I don't work.
Oh, you don't? That's okay. So you're practicing English at the moment, and are you doing that for work or to travel or to study? Why are you choosing to learn English?
Mm, Actually, for a personal development, I want to learn English. But if I learn English, then I can be good English speaker, good English teacher. I can do a lots of things related to English. Yeah,
Yes, you can do. Yes, very good. So it's a professional thing. That's why you're learning it. That's very cool. So can you tell me what do you like to do? So what are your interests?
my interest is for being a motivational speaker. It's my first goal because doing job is not my cup of tea. That sometimes it feels me. So that's why I learning English because by learning English I can be a YouTuber as well, where I could teach to people how to learn English or how to stick with your goals and be enthusiastic towards learning. And yeah, I can motivate people as well, I think.
Oh, so you want to be a YouTuber. So you said teaching people English and motivating people as well?
Yeah, I can do. I believe so.
Yeah, that's very cool. So do you watch like a lot of those kinds of videos on YouTube, like English videos and motivational videos?
Yeah, I always keep watching like these videos because when you are interested in something and you love to do that work, so you can't feel boring in like these things. So I really enjoy watching interviews in English and TEDx video, and I listen Sadhguru video. Do you know Sadhguru?
Said group?
Sadhguru is known for spirituality and inner management, and he is very famous person in India.
Ah, okay. So he's a motivational speaker as well?
Yeah,
Ah, that's very cool. So what kinds of things would you talk about then? If you could make a YouTube video right now, what would your first video be?
it's very common that I just can say how to be fluent in English. It will be my
Yeah.
topic.
Yes,
So
that's a very good one. How to be fluent in English. That sounds very, very good because you have experience, right? Because you've learned English, so you can motivate other people to do the same as well. That's very cool. I think that's a great thing. I always think it's very good when people want to do their own YouTube channels. That's so cool.
yeah, because if I want to be a teacher, then we must motivate to our student for teaching. That's why being a teacher and being a motivational speaker is a little bit similar, And if you are teacher, I think you must motivate your student towards teaching. Otherwise, they feel bored in your classroom, in
Yes.
anywhere. Like on YouTube, just you keep teaching, then people will skip you. So you you should mix up motivate. Yeah,
I agree. Yes, I also teach. I don't know if you can see them, but I teach a lot of children as well on Cambly too. So it's very, you have to motivate your students as well, right? So it's
yeah.
hard to do, but it's fun. It's very rewarding. So that is your first video is how to be fluent in English. I just think that's very cool. Have you started filming videos or you're just thinking about doing it at the moment?
Right now, I'm just thinking because yeah, I like to do that thing who make me scary little bit.
It's scary.
Yeah, because if you do something courageous, that's when you become scary. So I just facing you like Cambly Twitter, and I am not that much fluent. So if I will be a YouTuber, I will have to face camera every day. So that's why you can say I am practicing. And if I want to be a speaker or teacher, it is just starting.
Yeah, so you're practicing at the moment to gain some more confidence, right? That's what you're doing. Yeah, I think that's a very good idea. Your English is very good though. So I think you'll be great on YouTube. I love YouTube. YouTube is so much fun.
Thank you. So
I also, yeah. Go ahead.
so you are Cambly Twitter. So do you teach on YouTube as well, or just you use Cambly?
So at the moment, I'm also like you. So I only teach on Cambly, but I would also like to teach on YouTube as well. So that's my plan too. Yeah. YouTube is I love YouTube. I watch because when I was learning Italian, I watched videos on YouTube too. So they're very good to learn languages and be motivated to learn it too. So yeah, but just at the moment it's Cambly, but I think we're similar. We want to go on YouTube, so it'd be fun. Yeah.
Yeah, because I have seen a lot of teacher like you who teaches on YouTube, and they have a lot of subscribers, millions subscribers. So I think uh, for being famous and for getting for earning lots of money, you can choose YouTube very easily. And if you have skills, then you will fit in YouTube, I think.
Yeah, I've been thinking about it for a few months. So you've made me think a little bit more about it now. I might might start filming some videos. There's also TikTok. Do you go on TikTok? I don't use TikTok, but I don't know if you've
Yeah.
yeah.
In India, it has banned.
Oh, it's banned. I didn't realize it was banned. Oh goodness. Why did they ban it?
Because I think it was a Chinese app, and there was conflict between India and China that time. So India government decided to ban at least 100 apps, which was based on China.
Oh wow, yeah, because I know there was some issues with a bit of the security, some of the security things on TikTok. But yeah, I don't use it, but I think YouTube is probably better anyways for making videos. But you can do what's it called? YouTube Shorts. You know the short videos. You can make those as well. So maybe you could start making some of the short ones. So you can make like a short video and then just see if you're confident with those ones. I would start with the shorts.
Yeah, you must start because people must like your style of teaching. You teach very well, I think. And first of all, I think for being a YouTuber or being motivational or being teacher, anything, first of all, we need to be confident in every
Yeah.
field.
Yes. I mean, do you think I'm confident?
Yeah, you
Oh,
seem.
really? Oh, I'm actually funny you should say that. I'm an introvert, so I seem confident, but I'm very nervous at the moment still. I'm always very nervous. It just makes me nervous because you meet new people, right? So it's very scary to meet new people, but it's nice chatting to people at the same time because they're probably just as nervous as you are, right? Learning the language. So I'm nervous to meet new people, and they might be nervous to speak English. But you seem very confident too. So
Thank
are
you,
you?
but
You would? Would you say you're confident?
yeah, and if you do something big in your life, then you feel little bit nervous. If you are going to crack any interviews, and if you are making video for YouTube, then it's a common thing that you will be little bit nervous. So we shouldn't scare of being nervous because great things come when you stop making ourselves little bit. It's nothing, but you just make yourself in under the big burden.
Yes, you have to, I guess it's the word, put yourself out there. That phrase. You have to put yourself out there. And it is scary. I know. I started teaching about 6 months ago now on Cambly. And I remember I got my first student, my heart was like it was just beating. I was so nervous. Yeah. How long have you been on Cambly for? I think it's 619 minutes, so probably a, a few months maybe.
Yeah, yeah. It's 1 month is about to complete within within a week. I can say.
So about a month. Wow. So you've done all those minutes in a month. 609. I guess how many minutes is that? How many hours is
No,
that?
no. During lockdown, I was practicing on Cambly before 2 years.
Yes, but on Cambly you've only been on for a month though, right?
Yeah, so before 2 years, I uh, con- conducted at least 15 Cambly session, and after that there is a 2 years gap, and after that
Oh.
I am.
Ah, so there was a 2 year gap, but you were probably doing English maybe on YouTube. Were you learning on YouTube?
Yeah, I kept learning English, and when it seemed to me that my confidence and my English is being deteriorated, so I thought that we must join Cambly again for being fluent. Otherwise, my English will be vanished.
Yes, I understand what you mean because sometimes you learn a language online, but then you have to practice speaking it to get the confidence. I know it was hard with Italian. I'm still learning. So, but it's good to know. So you tend to, I guess, watch YouTube videos. Are there any YouTubers that you like?
Yeah, and I learned English through the YouTube, or else I didn't do any coaching centers. And for speaking, I joined Cambly. Otherwise, I don't have like this friend who could speak English with me. But in Cambly, it was very good experience with you and with all Cambly Twitter.
Yes, Cambly. I think it's great. I love Cambly. Like I say that I like jobs very often, but I really do love Cambly because it's so wonderful. Like you're actually my first student that I've taught to from India, an adult that has been from India. So, and I've been on here for 6 months. So, yay! But I've met two children from India, and you're the first adult that I've met from India. So, it's very nice to learn more about what people are learning English for, how they're learning it, and more about their culture. I hope we get to chat again soon because I'd like to learn a bit more about Indian culture too, because I haven't had a chance to talk to Indian tutors, students just yet. So that'd be very interesting. It
Yeah,
was
so
very nice. Yeah.
same here. And I must talk to you again because I really enjoyed this